In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost hosting with massive discount. So watch this video till the end. So the very first step is just click on the special affiliate link given in the video description. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then it will take you to the special landing page like this. So as you can see, it has clearly written here, it is special partner only offer page. It means that you will not see this page anywhere else. If you will directly go to host website, then you will see different landing page, but if you will click on the link given in the video description, then it will take you to the special partner only offer page that will help you to get Bluehost hosting at the best possible price. Okay, as you can see, if you will visit this special landing page, then you are gonna get free domain name for first year, you are gonna get free SSL certificate, you will get one-click WordPress install feature, you will get 24/7 expert customer support, and also you are gonna get secure and reliable hosting from Bluehost hosting. Okay, and as you can see, Bluehost normally costs $9.99 per month, but you are gonna get it for just $3.99 per month using this special landing page. This special landing page link is in the video description. So to claim this deal, all you need to do is just scroll this page a little bit, and here as you can see, it has written again special partner only offer, so that you can get the Bluehost hosting at the best possible price. So here as you can see, Bluehost hosting comes with three different pricing plan: starter plan, business plan, and e-commerce essential. So if you are just starting out, then starter plan is perfect for you. It will cost you just $3.99 per month. So if you want to host maximum 10 websites, and if your website traffic is less than 40,000 visits per month, then this plan is perfect for you. So if you are just starting out, then definitely you will create maximum 2-3 websites, and during the initial period you will not get lots of traffic in your website. So definitely this plan is perfect for you if you are just starting out. And suppose if you think that either you need more than 10 websites or your website traffic is more than 40,000 visits per month, then you can consider the business plan, which will cost you $6.99 per month. With business plan, you can create 50 websites and it can handle 200 visits per month. Okay, so if your website traffic is up to 200k per month, then this plan is perfect for you. And suppose if you think that if you are managing client website or anything else, and if you think that you need to create more than 50 websites, then you can consider the e-commerce essential plan, which will cost you $14.99 per month. With this plan, you can create 100 websites and it can handle 400k traffic per month. Okay, as you can see, and in this plan you will get some essential e-commerce tool that will help you to sell your content online. So I hope now you understood which plan is perfect for you according to your requirement. And as you can see, because it is special partner only offer page, so that's why you are getting 60% discount on starter plan, you are gonna get 50% discount on business plan, and you are gonna get 32% discount on e-commerce essential plan. Normally starter plan costs $9.99 per month, but if you will select 36-month term, then you will get it for just $3.99 per month. It means that you are gonna get 60% discount. Similarly, business plan normal pricing is $13.99 per month. You are gonna get 50% discount on this plan, so it will cost you just $6.99 per month. And e-commerce essential plan normally costs $21.99 per month, but you are gonna get 32% discount on this particular plan, so it will cost you just $14.99 per month if you will visit this special landing page. This special landing page link is in the video description. So I hope now you understood which Bluehost plan is right for you according to your requirement. So let's say you want to purchase this starter plan, so all you need to do is just click on this choose plan button. When you will click on it, then it will take you to the next step where you can claim your free domain name. So if you don't know what is domain name, so it is your website URL like blogginglib.com, facebook.com, or yourwebsite.com, something like this. I hope you understood. So here is three different options in front of you. Suppose if you have decided what will be your domain name, then you can type it here and you can claim it for free. And suppose if you have not decided what will be your website domain name, then you can click on choose domain name later button and you can claim the free domain name after purchasing the plan you have selected. And third option is this: suppose if you have purchased your domain name from anywhere anywhere else like GoDaddy, Namecheap or anywhere else, then you can select I want to use a domain I already own. I hope you understood. So for now I am considering that you have decided what will be your domain name, so just write it here. So let's write something like your unique domain name, and it has already selected .com. If you want to use different extension like .co, .ai, .us, .online, .biz, .site, then you can select it from here, but I'm gonna select .com domain and let me click on search for domain, and if this domain name will be available, then it will show available message. So as you can see, this domain name is available, so it has already added in my cart and it is free for 1 year. And I want to mention one more thing, that it will automatically select 3 years from here. If you want to get Bluehost hosting at the best possible price, then I will highly recommend you to select 3 year. If you will select 1 year, then it will cost you approximately $5, and if you will select monthly, then it will cost you approximately $16 per month. So if you want to get maximum discount, then I will highly recommend you to select at least 3 year from this drop down menu. And here are some additional thing. As you can see, here is the domain name which is included for free, and it has automatically added domain privacy and protection. So if you don't want to add domain privacy and protection, then you can click on remove button and it will remove it from here, but I will highly recommend you to keep it as it is, because if you will not use domain privacy and protection, then your contact information like your email address, your contact detail, your address, your name, everything will be available online. Anyone can see it and anyone can spam you with lots of messages and calls. So if you want to protect your contact details, then you can add domain privacy and protection. It will cost you just $11.88. So I will highly recommend you to keep it as it is. And apart from this, there is professional email trial, so I will not recommend you to use it. Just delete it from here by clicking on remove button. And if you want some additional add-on like if you want Bluehost complete security or professional email trial or code guard, Yoast or Google Workspace, then you can select it from here. But if you are just starting out, then you don't need to add any of this add-on. And after that, there is billing information where you can add your credit card detail or your name and address and all these things to purchase this Bluehost plan with massive discount. Okay, and I forgot to mention one important thing here, that here you need to enter your valid email address here, and you can set up password for your Bluehost account using this option. I will highly recommend you to add a valid email address here, because after purchasing this particular plan, you will get all the login details and all the installation guide and all these things in this particular email address. So make sure you add a valid email address here. Okay, and here as you can see, normal price of this particular plan is $387.63, but you are gonna get it for just $155.52. It means that you are gonna save $232.11 in this Bluehost plan, because you have visited the special partner only page using the link given in the video description. Okay, so after filling all this detail, you can click on submit payment button to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost hosting with massive discounts. If you still have any confusion regarding purchasing the domain name and hosting from Bluehost hosting, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you found this how to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost hosting in 2026 video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.